Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video we're going to make fried chicken wings with honey lemon glaze. I seasoned my chicken and put it in the refrigerator overnight. The seasoning will be posted down in the description. For our batter, let's put a teaspoon salt, teaspoon pepper, a half cup flour, a half cup of cornstarch, a teaspoon of onion powder, a teaspoon of garlic powder, a teaspoon of ground ginger, 1 egg, and a quarter cup of water. Add your water a tablespoon at a time. Make sure that your batter is thick. You don't have to use all of your quarter cup water. When you reach that thick batter, stop adding in your water. And make sure you coat every part of your chicken wings. Heat up your oil to 350 and maintain it at 325. Since the chicken wings can easily burn, we're going to double fry them, so when it turns light brown we have to take it off and let it drain on a wire rack. Let your chicken wings drain for about 5 minutes. So now we have drained our chicken for 5 minutes and let it rest. So we're going to double fry it again until it's golden brown. So now all our chicken wings are fried and done. Let's let it drain. Meanwhile, let's prepare our honey lemon glaze. To enhance the lemon flavor, I mixed lemonade powder in a cup of water, and to get the natural taste of a lemon, I also squeezed in 1 lemon. Add your lemonade mixture in a pan and add a quarter cup of honey. Once your lemonade mixture will come to a boil, you can add your slurry. Once your honey lemon glaze will reduce to half and thicken, please turn off your heat and let the pan cool down. Once your lemon glaze has cooled down, it's time to add your chicken wings. Here's your crispy chicken wings with honey lemon glaze. Enjoy!